So you are welcome to this video. Now we'll be looking at how to install excuse me, we'll be looking at how to install Instabuilder and WordPress. But first of all, WordPress comes before Instabuilder. So let's go right ahead and install Instabuilder in our cPanel. I told you something about cPanel the other time. So now this is where we're going to install our cPanel. So once you finish your registration with namecheap.com, once you've gotten a domain name with namecheap.com, they are going to send you a series of emails. Now the one of the most important one you're going to get is the one that has to do with your cPanel. Now I'm going to use the same domain name I'm going to use the same domain name I used for this that's smart importation academy.com.ng, smart importation academy.com.ng. Now here it is. So let's go smart importation, it's not N, it's the M there, academy.com.ng. then this is where it gets interesting, /cPanel, you put it there. So we want to log into our cPanel back end. Now that's where we are going to install WordPress inside our website. That's where we're going to install WordPress inside our website. So now once you get it's going to ask you to log into your cPanel. Now you'll be given your login details for your cPanel. Once you complete the registration for the web hosting, you'll be given your login details. So I'm going to log into my cPanel now. Okay, it says username invalid, username invalid. So I am now logged inside my cPanel dashboard. So this is how your cPanel dashboard will look like. Remember, the URL for logging into your cPanel dashboard is the URL you registered. The example we've been using earlier on is add-to-cart.com.ng/cPanel. So you would be given the username and the login already, so you just put it there and you log in. So once you log in, this is what you're going to see. This is what you're going to see. So first of all, what we want to do now is to install WordPress in our website. To install WordPress in our websites, so we'll just come down here. Even though I've actually installed WordPress in smart importation academy.com.ng, so you click on this WordPress here, scripts, Softaculous apps installer. So you click on it, so it brings you to this page here. You click on install now. The space required 26.01 MB, so you bought 20 gig. So you choose the domain where you want it to be installed. For my case now, smartimportationacademy.com. But for your case, it's going to be the domain name that you registered with. So you can choose, if your site has SSL, then please choose SSL protocol. So yeah, as if you've installed SSL to this website. So that's when it's going to show, say, trusted SSL certificate was not found because I've not installed SSL to smartimportationacademy.com. So now this is where you do a little configuration. Now the site name, you can decide to leave it as my blog or WordPress blog or whatsoever. You can change it, but I'm going to show you how. Now this is where you set up your password for this website. You're going to be using the password to log into your WordPress website. Now you're going to use this password, you want this username, admin username and admin password, to generate what you're going to your login details, your login credentials for your WordPress website. So you put it there, you put this there, and like, I'm not going to do anything because I've already installed it. So these are free themes that they have given you. If you want to create a website, these are WordPress has lots of free themes, but you don't need all this for now. So you can just choose anyone. By default a theme, I think um theme 2017 will be installed by default. So you just click on install here. So after clicking on install, you are good to go. So you've now installed WordPress on your website. That is the simplest way to install WordPress on your website. You go to your cPanel website, you log in. That's your website slash cPanel. You log in. After logging in, you come down, you install. You see where this Softaculous app installer is. Softaculous apps installer. You install WordPress. After installing WordPress, then that is all. You're good to go. So the next big step now is to log into our WordPress website. And how do you log into your WordPress website? Simple. Now let me log into my WordPress website. I use smart importation. Okay, smart importation academy.com.ng slash, instead of cPanel, now this is our WordPress website, so it will be wp minus admin. That means WordPress admin. So I'm going to be asked to log in right now again into my WordPress website. So this is it, login. So you just put in your login credentials there, and it's going to lead you to your WordPress. So so it's logging me in. So this is my dashboard now. This is my dashboard. This is what the WordPress dashboard is. Now this is where most of your work is going to be based on. I hope you're getting this. If you have any issues concerning this, I have decided to create a Facebook group for close mentoring. So if you have any issues, you just throw it into the Facebook group and we are good to go. We'll just give you the right answers that you need, and just assist you, just help you out with knowledge. So now this is how your WordPress website is. Now for your case, you're not going to be getting this LMS, this course, everything there. It's not going to be there. So don't be bothered if you don't see it in your newly created website. You're not going to see InstaBuilder too. I installed InstaBuilder. Into this WordPress website. So you're not going to be seeing InstaBuilder too. You just see little things here. You see pages, posts, comments, media, appearance, plugins, users, tools, settings, performance. But InstaBuilder, no, you are not seeing it there. Orders, engagements, membership, courses, and lifter element. You're not going to see those things there. So now the next big step is for us to install InstaBuilder. Now how do you install InstaBuilder? Simple and straight to the point. You go to plugins here, then you come to add new plugins. By now you should have downloaded Instabuilder on your computer or your laptop. You should have gotten Instabuilder downloaded on your laptop, in your laptop. So like I've given you the Instabuilder plugin. It's on the extra section of this course. So just go right there and download Instabuilder before coming down here to install it. So let's move on. So here we are. You click on upload plugin. So once you click on upload plugin, you click on choose file. So as I said earlier, you should have downloaded the plugin here. You should have downloaded the plugin. So you search for where you dropped the plugin, the folder where you dropped the plugin, downloads, and you just bring it out. So that's the number one step, or the number one method of uploading your plugin. Or you can, let me see if I can do this now. You can go here, your documents. Okay, my documents, not your documents now. So this is it here, Instabuilder 2.0, and it's 45.4 megabytes. So what you do now, what I want to do with this method is to drag and drop. So I have my Instabuilder here. I hope you can see it. So I'll just drag it, click it, drag it, and drop it here. So click on install now. I don't want to install it again because I've already installed it here. It's already installed. So that's how you install Instabuilder. You go to plugins, add new plugins, add new. From add new, you upload your plugin, you click on upload, and you look for the file where you've downloaded it in your folder, or you use the drag and drop method. You open it, then you drag and drop here, then you click on install. Then you have installed Instabuilder. Bravo. Sorry, bravo for that. If you've gotten it up to this step, then I must say congratulations. I must say a very big congratulations to you, because the next video we are going to be having now, video you're going to be watching, it's going to be based on how to use Instabuilder to create this sales page. How to use Instabuilder to create this sales page. Then I'm going to be showing you various things you can do with Instabuilder. Various things. Even I might show you. I know it's not too cool for me to do this, but if I'm being led, I might just put it there unconsciously. So I might show you some pages, some websites, some adverts on Facebook that are based on Instabuilder. Most of the things you see on Facebook, most of the sales pages you see on Facebook, they are created using this plugin called Instabuilder. So in our next video now, I'm going to be taking you through this plugin called Instabuilder. So I'm going to show you the overview of Instabuilder, the functions and everything you can do with Instabuilder. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Peace out.